7 simple and useful tips for healthy aging. Aging is a natural phenomenon that nobody on earth can avoid because it is associated with time, and time stops for none. In the present world scenario, everyone wants to remain young, look young, nobody wants to look old. And there are so many products available in the market that promise you a younger looking skin. Mind you, friends, all those products make fake promises. Instead, you can adopt some natural ways to look younger and keep your skin healthy. So here are some simple and effective ways to delay your aging. First, try Tai Chi. Tai Chi is a famous Chinese exercise for older adults, which is the combination of deep breathing and slow movements. This safe and gentle form of exercise provides all kinds of benefits such as physical, mental, emotional, spiritual, and healing benefits. It improves the balance and motor functions of the body, which is the top cause of injury among seniors. It also strengthens your muscles, increases flexibility, eases stress, and reduces the arthritis pain. So for healthy aging, start practicing Tai Chi. Look for good Tai Chi classes taught by experienced instructors at fitness studios, senior centers, and health clubs. Second, quit smoking. We all know tobacco kills and it hampers almost all the organs of the body. Older adults do not respond to the immune challenge as strongly as the young. If they continue to smoke, they can face many diseases such as diabetes, osteoporosis, and respiratory problems. It's never too late to quit smoking because anyhow it improves your health. Smoking reduces your lifespan. So if you quit it, you will be doing yourself a favor by adding years to your life, feel more energetic, breathe more easily, and can save more money. If required, you can even consult your doctor for any kind of help in quitting smoking. Third, walk. Try to walk for 30 minutes every day, and if you think it's too much, then break it up into shorter strolls. Walking is a part of regular exercise that delivers huge health benefits. It also helps in boosting your mood, controlling your weight, keeping your bones and muscles strong, providing better sleep, and lowering the risk of various types of diseases. One more plus point of walking is that it keeps the brain cells healthy by delivering more oxygen and blood. Walking also reduces the risk of trips and fall, which is very common in older adults. Fourth, get at least 6 hours of sleep. Insomnia is common in older adults. Some of the common symptoms of insomnia are anxiety, irritability, and mood swings. It also leads to daytime sleepiness, lethargy, and a feeling of unwell both physically and mentally. If you ensure that you sleep well, it will help create a proper wake and sleep cycle. Also try these following tips for good sleep. Keep your bedroom dark. Turn off your mobile, laptop, and TV at night. Avoid caffeine in the evening. Avoid napping more than 20 minutes during the day. Consult your doctor if you feel any of your medicines keeps you awake. Fifth, healthy foods over medicines. As you grow older, you may face various kinds of health issues which require treatment regularly. But it doesn't mean that you start taking more medicines, because once you get older, the body starts changing, which can affect the way medicines are absorbed and used. It's better to get the nutrients from food rather than a pill. After the age of 50, your body needs more vitamins and minerals such as calcium for stronger bones, vitamin B6 to keep the red blood cells strong so as to keep carrying oxygen throughout your body, among others. So, tell your doctor if you take any supplements to avoid bad interactions with any other medications. Sixth, add more fiber to your diet. Fiber is a necessity for our body. Fast food is the new food choice of people, but it lacks fiber and contains no nutrition at all. To remain fit, fiber must be consumed in your daily diet, be it in your meals or snacks. Consuming fiber will make you less hungry and avoid overeating issues too. It helps treat constipation, which is common in older people. The fiber intake for men over the age of 50 should be 30 grams a day, and for women, it should be 21 grams of fiber a day. Seventh, stay connected. Human is a social animal. You all must have heard this for sure. But in this fast-growing world, no one has time to maintain their social life. To exist in this world, a human being has to be social no matter what, and this also helps them in fighting with problems like depression and anxiety. Researchers have found that isolation and loneliness amongst older adults has a higher chance of forming stress hormones that causes anxiety and depression, which can also lead to inflammation or swelling linked to arthritis and diabetes. So, try to be as social as possible. So, like we said before, using anti-aging products will not stop aging. In fact, it might just increase your issues. Following the given suggestions will for sure help in keeping a healthier body, and you can have a healthy life and can naturally delay your aging for sure.